Hi, I'm Julia with Julia Sue's Stamping here in Northeast Ohio. I want to welcome you to the video all about creating paper trees. We're going to use origami with a little bit of cutting. The trees look like this, and they are just beautiful, adorable. You can use any kind of paper that you have at home that you like, that you love. It can be a spring tree, it can be a Christmas tree, it can be a tree for any time of the year that you want. So knowing how to make these is something that can be good for decorating anytime. It would make a beautiful tablescape with having the trees, some candles, things around, some pine around on the table. Just beautiful for you and your friends or family to enjoy. All you need to make the larger tree is a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. To make this smaller trees, you need 10 by 10, 8 by 8, or a 6 by 6. That's up to you. So the 12 by 12 sheet of paper will make a tree that is just a little over 6 inches in height. This tree was created with paper that was 10 by 10. And this tree is about 5 inches in height. This tree was created with paper that was 8 by 8 and it's about 4 inches in height. Finally, this small tree, the smallest one that I've made so far, was made with 6 by 6 paper, 3 inches in height. So you can see how cute these trees are. They're very sturdy and they're going to look great on your table decorating for the holidays. This is a 12 by 12 sheet of designer series paper from the St. Nick collection at Stampin' Up! I'm also using a pair of paper snips, and you really want something to create very good folds. So I have a bone folder handy. This is the side I want to mostly have show. First you fold the cardstock or designer series paper, whatever it is you're using. Cardstock would be very thick for this though. In half, unfold it, and fold the other way in half. You need to begin to break down the fibers of the paper. And now it's been folded 4 ways. The next thing is to have it be folded diagonally. With it being diagonal like this, you need to fold in the sides so it's like a diamond shape here to you. Fold in the 2 sides, bring them together, fold down the top part so that you have a smaller square. Again, let's make sure it's all as tight as we can possibly get it. Now I'm going to slightly open it up, and first I'm going to take this right top part and I'm going to fold on that line. so that the side meets the center. There we go. Same thing with the other side. Bring it in so that it meets the center. Fold it in. Turn it over. Same thing on the other side. I have it folded in to meet the center. Press it down with my hand and then use the bone folder to make it tight. And last side. Fold it in to meet the center. And use the bone folder to make that fold tight. I'm going to take this little top sheet and I'm going to use this corner and this corner to know how far to fold it up. I want it a little bit higher on this side. Didn't go as high as I want. There we go. That works pretty well. Now I'm taking the scissors and I'm using this as my template for where I'm going to cut. And I cut all of those other pieces of paper right across that line. Now I'm going to put these in recycling. I have that last sheet that did not get cut, so now I'm going to cut it right along that fold line. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use these and cut 3 lines in. The lines are smaller as I go higher up on the triangle, and they are pretty much across from each other. So now I have a cut there, I have a cut there through all the layers, and there. Same with this side, there's a cut there, a cut there, and one more cut there. Starting with the top layer, I'm going to fold it from where the cut is all the way down to the corner, and then use the bone folder to make it tight. Same thing with this one, then this, and I leave the top alone. Open it, set it to the side, and begin on the next one. Folding over, folding over, and then the last, open it up, take it to the side. Start with the bottom, next up, and fold it over. I'm on the last layer now of this side. Using the bone folder to make sure those folds are as tight as I can. And the last one. All I'm going to do now is the other side. I turn the whole thing over and begin again, because I want all the folds to be going the same direction. Make it tight. And this last one, open, take it to the side, the bottom, folding the next, make it tight, open it up, again. And the next one. Now for the last one. Come back here, bone folder. Next. And the last fold that we have for this tree. All we need to do now is open up our tree. Make sure our folds go down. And you have a beautiful tree that you've created with cardstock or paper that you have on hand. Now you can see how easy it is to make these gorgeous paper trees. Grab another one over here too. All right, so we've got a green one, a red one. You could do gold or silver. It would look perfect even with some glittery paper, or you could put some decorations on your tree if you want. I think you're going to love making these. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Please give the video a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.